Last time we learned about the selection and the direct selection tools, but today we're going to learn about the pen tool. For some reason, people are really intimidated and scared of the pen tool, but it's actually a really powerful tool and it's really helpful. Say, the pen tool is my friend. Say it out loud. The pen tool is my friend.
The pen tool is my friend.
I'm going to make sure that you are a graphic designer that is not afraid of the pen tool. So last time we drew a rectangle, so let's just do that. Draw a rectangle like we did previously. And let's go and hit the pen tool. It's right here. Just left click here. And you'll notice I can mouse over this particular rectangle and it says path. Where it says path, I can actually left click and add another point to it. Mouse over here, it says path. I can add as many of these as I want. Now I'm going to hit the A key for direct selection. Notice any point I just created is now editable. Like so. Very simple, very easy. And the pen tool is able to add these extra points. Maybe there was a point we didn't want. That's fine. I'm going to hit the P key. That is your shortcut. On the keyboard, the letter P. That'll bring your pen tool back. I'm going to hit P. Or again, you could just select this up here to go back, but it's a lot quicker just to hit the letter P. Now I can add another point where it says path. Just keep adding more points. I can hit my A key and then bring it out. But like I said, what if you want to remove one? Just hit the P key again, mouse over a point. Notice my cursor just changed. It has a minus there. So if you left click there, instead of adding one, it will remove it. So as a beginner, this is a chance for you to get really, really frustrated because you're going to watch this video and you're going to say, oh, okay, we're going to come up here and we're going to click the pen tool like in the video, and we're going to start adding these points. And so you click, and then you're like, oh, let me click, wait a minute, what's this line attached here? And then you're like, well, that's just confusing. What's going on? And it's not going to be working like you want. Instead, you're going to actually be drawing your own shape up here instead of manipulating the current shape. What did we do wrong? I challenge you to rewind the video and find out where I went wrong. Why didn't it work? This would be a great time to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It's quick, easy, and it's free. So the answer is I didn't have the object selected. If you have no object selected, then it'll just start drawing a new object. Okay, I'm gonna hit the V key to get out of that. So for instance, I'm gonna hit the letter P. So now I'm in the pen mode. And if I was over here and I just started clicking around, guess what? It's going to draw a new object. If I hit V, then I'm out of that, and then I can move this around. I can hit A and then manipulate those sides. So what happens is, let's say I want to manipulate this shape here. Let's just draw a square. Let's say I want to manipulate this square here, and I'm going to hit P. And again, I'm going to say, well, I'm going to add a path here, here, here. And, it's just not going to work because you're not manipulating the object. It's a different object. So the trick is to select it first. That's it. It'll save you a lot of frustration. You select the object, hit P, and then suddenly I can now mouse over and add new points to this object. Really simple. If you just know that rule, then you'll be fine. You hit A, and you can manipulate this however you like. That's the pen tool. It's not scary. It's actually really helpful. And in fact, when this tool is combined with the anchor point tool, it's really powerful and it's really handy, and you'll see that in the next video. But do not move on until you're really comfortable using this pen tool. Make sure in your practicing that you draw an object by itself like this, hit V, and you're able to do this comfortably, drawing another object. Again, just hit P again. I can draw another object like so. Double click, hit P, hit V to get out of it, and feel comfortable with editing an existing object by selecting it first and then hitting P, and then you can add more corners or points to the object and then hitting A to edit those points. And of course, to delete one, we're just going to hit P, hover over it, and then left click. Once you're comfortable with that, move on to the next video, and I will teach you new and exciting things. This would be a great time to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It's quick, easy, and it's free.